Okay, this one's tricky. So I'm on page 111 and it's the example because there's no way I'm ready to do a question. And basically it's looking for Pythagoras theorem for cuboids or like 3D shapes. So they give us the formula a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared, which is in fact the longest diagonal. So they give us an example here. It says find the vertical height. So here is a square base pyramid, and they want us to find this, the vertical height. All right. So what they're suggesting we do, imagine Indiana Jones going down on a rope. He wants to know how much rope he has. So here I've drawn it over here. We have, let me get my regular pen. We have A to M, which is what we want. That's the length we want. Is that D? No, I don't think so. That's up and down, and we don't know what that is. That's X. And then we have A to E, which we do know. That's 9. So that's 9. It's a right angle triangle. And then this is our new point N. So I'm going to draw it out here to N. And from N to E, it's halfway. And we know that it's 7. So halfway would be 3.5. If I haven't confused you so far, this is where we're at. If this is 3.5 and it's going halfway across a square, then this is 3.5 because this is Indiana Jones running from the side of his temple to the middle to go up a length of rope. He doesn't know how much he needs. So what do? A squared plus, you guys know Indiana Jones, right? A squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared. A squared is En. B squared is NM. C squared is AM. We don't know that one. And D squared is the big long one. It's always the longest one, which we know is A to E now squared. So let's plug in our numbers. En is half of our base, which is 3.5. They had to give us a decimal to make it fun. Plus, from here to here, it's a square, guys, so it's half. Well, he runs to the middle, so that's 3.5. AM, we don't know. That's the length of the rope we need to get up. And AE is 9 squared. So I'm going to make AM the subject of my formula, or in other words, keep it by itself. So I'm going to say AM squared equals 9 squared minus 3.5 squared minus 3.5 squared, because I've just moved these over to this side. And let me just sort this out on my handy dandy calculator. Okay, so that equals, my pen stopped working. That equals 56.5 squared, and then AM is the square root of that. So we just get rid of that, and then you clever folks can figure out that. Oh, is that right? I hope so. Let me figure it out.